Your income tells you how much you earn. Your net worth tells you whether you are actually getting ahead. Most people track one and ignore the other, and it is usually the wrong one. Here is how to fix that. Everything you own minus everything you owe. One honest number. Bank accounts plus investments plus home equity minus all debts. This single number tells you your true financial position better than anything else. High income plus high spending still equals low net worth. Average income plus consistent saving equals growing net worth. Net worth is the actual score. Income is just one variable in it. Add up bank accounts, investment accounts, home equity, car value. Subtract mortgage balance, car loan, credit cards, student loans. Whatever the result, even if it is negative, that is your honest starting point. Reduce what you owe faster than your lifestyle expenses grow. Invest consistently. Even small regular contributions compound dramatically. Avoid depreciating debt like car loans and revolving credit card balances. Log your net worth number every 3 months. Just the total. Watching it go from negative to zero to positive is one of the best financial journeys. A simple one-page tracker makes this a 10-minute quarterly ritual. The free net worth tracker in the description has a simple one-page layout for every account. Fill it in once, and you will want to check it every quarter. Link below. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.